Hello artists and welcome to virtual art lesson number 4 for quarter 3. This one is for 4th through 5th grade, of course, with Mrs. Torres. So let's get started. This month is the month of February, and if you guys aren't aware, it is Black History Month. So we're going to be focusing on Black artists, and we are going to be talking about Kara Walker. Kara Walker is an African-American, or sometimes we say Black, artist, best known for her room-size cutout silhouettes that focus on American slavery and racism. Now, a silhouette is really just the outline or shadow of something or of someone or something. And she makes it really large. We're not doing that larger size because I know you guys are limited on supplies, but you'll see how we're going to use this idea and this concept. As you can see, here's a photo of our artist. Okay, so what are our learning objectives? I can practice drawing a silhouette of a person. Sorry, bad typo there, guys. And I can describe Kara Walker's artwork. So this is some of the things that she's made where she cut out silhouettes. And if you aren't familiar, this is some of the styles that were from the South back in the 1800s. And she always was focusing on the slavery and racism that was occurring. And some people like to really think about the South as this very beautiful romantic time. And she liked to point out that things weren't always as they seem. So she kind of tells a story with each figure. So take a look at the rest of this video and see how to draw, just to draw a full figure, and then we'll talk about it next week, how we're going to really create this and bring it together. All right? So for today's project, guys, we're working on how to draw a full body figure. You can use paper or a dry erase board today because this is just a practice, so you don't necessarily have to save this unless you want to. I mean, you can, up to you. So let's go ahead. We're going to work together here. We're going to do kind of two different figures, and I'm not doing too much detail. We're going to do really a figure looking at the front, and then we're going to do it from the side. So what I want you to do is you're going to leave one space here and one space here, because we're going to draw two things at once. So go ahead and draw yourself a circle for both of these. So we're going to make it front facing and looking at it from the side. Next, add a neck in. Right now they both look kind of the same right now, but that's going to change it slowly. Then we're going to do a square, or maybe kind of like a trapezoid. This is a side view, so we're just going to be a little shorter. Go ahead and make the torso. Make a triangle. Okay. Then we're going to make a circle for each leg. And since we're looking from the side, you can only see one circle. Smaller circles. And you can connect them. And it gets even smaller because we're creating the ankles. The same thing when we're drawing from the side. Just looks a little different. Let's make another smaller circle. And with the feet, guys, you're just gonna have to make kind of like this shape because it's coming at us. We can't quite see all the details. I'd say do like a triangle for the feet. Then for the arms, we're gonna use some circles. We're gonna do big, medium, small, kind of like small. Same thing like we did the legs here. And if I were you, I'm gonna draw like a line that helps me guide where I'm drawing these arms so I know where they are. So big, medium, small. Go ahead and connect. And we're not doing a lot of detail, we're just gonna leave the hands like simple today. Now, so there you have it. Now don't worry too much, this was just a practice. I will go over because we're gonna do some like practicing drawing sketches. So please be sure to not panic, try your best. And just send me a picture of how you did. This is a front view of a full figure. This is a side view. And if you're really worried when we do the final project, we're gonna be filling a lot of this in, guys. We're turning into like a shadow or a silhouette, so don't worry about everything looking perfect. You can hide a lot of it.